So we want to show that this Cauchy principal value doesn't exist. In a way, it's fair, we'll do this explicitly, but in a way, it should be obvious that it doesn't exist, because if you plot the curve 1 over x squared, well, it's always positive, so the function looks something like this. So the idea of the Cauchy principal value is that the areas sort of cancel out. But there's no way that the areas can cancel out, because they're both obviously positive either side of the singularity at x equals 0. But anyway, we'll just see how this works. So we try the same thing as before. Limit as r goes to 0, and of -2 up to -r plus r up to 5. And see what that gives us. So integrating 1 over x squared gives us minus 1 over x, not minus 1 over x, evaluated these two limits. So what do we get? Well, substituting this into here, we get the minuses cancel out, so we just get 1 over r. And then substituting this, we end up with, got 3 minuses, so we end up with minus a half. And substituting this into here, we end up with minus a fifth, and minus gives us a plus, so we end up with plus 1 over r. So in this case, we see limit as r goes to 0, we end up with infinity. So the limit doesn't exist. But this, as we said, is not surprising. So there's no Cauchy principal value in this case.